13. Ascensor C.
C.
It was real busy. I'm glad I got it empty.
Planta 13. Puerta abierta.
Oh, these are nice.
Puerta abierta.
Is there more floors? It says it goes up to 16. Not sure. There's 2 floor zeros. That's weird.
-1. Ascensor C.
C.
Huh. I wonder how one goes to this UAX rooftop.
Puertas abiertas. Planta 9.
Let's show this quickly.
Puerta abierta.
No. Pues estoy haciendo un proyecto sobre los ascensores.
Ah, vale, vale.
Tengas un buen día. It's very interesting. It's like a university, but it's condensed into one single building, and all the different departments are on the different floors. I just find that neat. Does this say the original brand on here? No, it doesn't. I guess it will be a mystery what these were. All right, back up to 13.
13. Ascensor D.
Cabina D.
Here's a look at the port panel. Yeah, I don't get what there's 2 floor zeros for. It's very strange. Also, wow, those are some big floor brails. Interesting. I run my finger over it as if I can read Braille. I definitely can't. Wait, this one's a different indicator, I think. Excuse me.
Planta 13. Puerta abierta.
Anyway, I'm gonna speed test those. Those are actually kind of quick. Anyway, that will be it.